Hello, in this video I want to show you how to find duplicates in Google Sheets. And to do this, first we have a few different options, and one that is more simple but actually harder to perform, if that makes sense to you, is to click on Ctrl F. If you know that there's a duplicate by a certain name, you can enter it. In this case we have Tom 2 times, and it will also show right here. Now the other way to do it is to click on the format, navigate to the conditional formatting, then in the apply range you need to enter the specific columns. So in this case we're gonna go from A1 to A999. It should look like this. You can of course pick a different columns and different cells however you like. Then in the format cells if, we can go for custom formula is, and then in the value you will need to enter something like that. So equals count if, bracket A, double point A1, or you can also adjust it to your own column. Make sure to change it if you're doing it in different columns than I have. After that we can click on done, and as you can see our duplicates are highlighted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.